Did you know that in 2026 there are completely free AI tools that can replace hours of manual work every single day? Most people are still doing tasks the slow and traditional way. But the reality is simple. AI is no longer the future. It is the present, and the people who start using AI tools today will always stay ahead of everyone else. In this video, I am going to show you 10 free AI tools that require absolutely no technical skills. You do not need coding knowledge, you do not need expensive software, and you do not need experience. Whether you are a student, freelancer, content creator, or working professional, these tools can help you save time, increase productivity, and work smarter instead of harder. Make sure you watch until the end because the last tool is one of the most powerful automation tools that can completely change the way you work. Let's start with the first and most powerful AI tool, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It is like having a personal assistant available 24 hours a day. You can use it to write emails, generate content ideas, summarize long documents, create study notes, plan business strategies, and even solve complex problems. Instead of spending hours thinking about how to start something, you simply give ChatGPT a clear instruction, and it provides instant results. Students can use it for learning explanations, professionals can use it for reports and communication, and creators can use it for scripts and brainstorming ideas. The second tool is Canva AI. Now imagine being able to design professional thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, and marketing materials without any design skills. Canva AI makes this possible. You just type what you want, and it generates layouts, images, and text suggestions automatically. For YouTubers and online creators, this tool alone can save hours of editing and designing time every week. Instead of hiring a designer, beginners can create high-quality visuals themselves. The third powerful free tool is Notion AI. Notion AI helps you organize your tasks, notes, and projects intelligently. It can summarize long notes, create action plans, and even generate ideas based on your goals. If you feel overwhelmed by too many tasks, Notion AI can structure your work and make everything clear and manageable. Productivity is not about working more. It is about working smart, and this tool helps you do exactly that. Next we have Grammarly AI. Writing is one of the most important skills in today's digital world. Whether you are sending emails, writing assignments, or posting content online, Grammarly AI checks your grammar, improves clarity, and adjusts tone automatically. It makes your writing sound professional and confident. Even if English is not your first language, this tool can help you communicate clearly and effectively. Now let's talk about Pictory AI. This tool is especially powerful for faceless YouTube channels and content creators. Pictory allows you to turn simple text into complete videos with visuals, captions, and background music. You paste your script, and it automatically creates scenes for you. Instead of spending hours editing videos manually, AI does most of the heavy work. This is one of the easiest ways to start content creation in 2026. The sixth tool is Copy.ai. If you are running a business, freelancing, or doing marketing, this tool can generate product descriptions, ad copies, captions, and promotional content within seconds. Marketing normally takes creativity and time, but AI speeds up the entire process. You can generate multiple variations and choose the best one instantly. Next is ElevenLabs, a powerful AI voice generator. This tool converts text into realistic human-sounding voiceovers for faceless YouTube channels, podcasts, and audiobooks. This is extremely useful. You simply type your script, choose a voice style, and the AI produces natural audio. It saves money and eliminates the need for professional recording equipment. The eighth tool is Remove.bg. Sometimes small tasks waste the most time. Removing backgrounds from images manually can take several minutes for just one photo, but Remove.bg does it automatically in seconds. This is perfect for thumbnails, product photos, and graphic design work. Simple automation like this adds up and saves hours over time. Now let's look at Tome AI. Creating presentations can be stressful and time-consuming. Tome AI generates complete presentations with content and visuals based on a simple topic. Whether you are a student preparing a project or a professional preparing a business pitch, this tool speeds up the entire process. Instead of starting from a blank slide, you get a structured draft instantly. Finally, we have one of the most powerful tools on this list, Zapier AI Automation. Zapier connects different apps together and automates repetitive tasks. For example, You can automatically save email attachments to Google Drive, send notifications when someone fills out a form, or post content across platforms automatically. Automation may seem small at first, but over weeks and months, it can save dozens of hours. Now imagine using just 3 or 4 of these tools daily. You could easily save multiple hours every single week. AI is not about replacing humans. It is about enhancing human productivity. The people who learn to use AI tools effectively will always stay ahead in school, business, and content creation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Everyday AI Tools for weekly AI guides and practical tutorials. Comment below which free AI tool you want a full step-by-step tutorial on next. And remember, the future belongs to those who adapt early. Start using AI today and take control of your time.